Be honest. How many of you have gone the extra mile to set up the perfect stage for a romantic evening, knowing every detail adds to the magic? That's similar to developing infrastructure on raw land. Each road, paved and utility installed sets the stage for a successful development. Now, why is infrastructure development a key? Just like a well-planned date can lead to a lasting relationship, well-laid infrastructure can significantly boost the value and appeal of your land. Here's how you can master this crucial phase. First, road access and development. Now, just as you would choose a restaurant that's easy to get to, ensuring your land is accessible is crucial. This involves planning and constructing roads that provide smooth and reliable access to and from the property. Second, installing utilities. No one loves a dinner by candlelight more than necessary. Similarly, providing basic utilities like water, electricity, and sewage is essential for making your land livable and functional. Third, planning for additional services, like ensuring there's entertainment available post-dinner. Think about the additional services your development requires, such as internet, waste management, and security. Fourth, working with local authorities. Now, just as you might coordinate with a restaurant for a special evening, collaborating with local government and utility companies is essential for infrastructure development. They can provide guidelines, support, and sometimes even funding. Fifth, environmental considerations. Just as you would ensure your date venue respects its surroundings, integrating sustainable practices and respecting environmental guidelines in your development plans is crucial for long-term success. Now, as you lay down the infrastructure, get ready to dive next into legal considerations and landowner rights. Just like knowing the rules of dating etiquette, understanding the legal landscape can prevent potential pitfalls in your development journey. Now, let's discuss. What challenges have you faced in developing infrastructure on your land? What solutions did you find most effective? Share your experiences or seek advice in the comments below. And if you're pondering how to start your infrastructure project, remember, ECMP is here to guide you through every step. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay